My name is Marcus Johnson, and today I will be presenting on screen life balance. So, in the beginning, my experience with adjusting to the screen time, it was actually kind of hard. Um, I was always on my phone, whether it be apps, browsing through social media apps, browsing through clothing apps, shoe apps, just everything, window shopping, trying to catch up on what people, around the world doing, just looking to see how my life is compared to theirs. And that really isn't that big of a thing for everybody, but it was one thing that was big for me. So one thing that I did indeed do to help with my screen life balance was working out. This helped me in a realm of focusing more on things I like to do without my phone. So that goes for, working out, going for a run, playing video games, so there's definitely a lot of things that we can do in essence to get that screen life down. And one thing that we see, in this generation particularly, is how everybody likes to be on their phone when in a group with their friends. That can be good, but at the same time, we all are lacking that social skill that we inevitably try to build up when we're young. So, one thing that I do believe will help with that balancing is finding something that everybody loves to do. Um, exercise isn't for everyone, even though everyone should do it, it's not for everyone. So find that one thing, that will help you in putting down your phone for some time and just relaxing, and whether it's being by yourself, with family, with friends, with no distractions, maybe just watching some TV or anything you want to do, just without your phone. And another thing that I would say that would help would try meditation. Meditation definitely eases everybody's mind. They say the mind, body, and soul are three things together, and we want to bring that all into one. And I believe that that is one thing that we inevitably can do to lower that screen time or bring that screen time to balance. And so, recommendations that I have for people, you know, it could be deleting that one app that you do have that you use all the time, or even going cold turkey with it, trying to, you know, not necessarily do everything that you would on your phone all the time, or even moving that place where you put your phone at while you charge it at night, or making sure your phone cuts off at a certain time or instance, so then you don't have to use it no more for a certain time period, just to get away from that social media realm or whatever. And so one thing that you know that I want to bring into consideration was from the book The Nature Fix, and it just talks about how with a walk through nature, without your phone or without any electronics or anything, how much that can actually help, you know, increase your level of consciousness, increase your mental status, just increasing everything about your well being, and being able to help you come back to one with your life outside of everything that we know of social media. And so that was all that I have for today, and thank you for listening.